Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the procedures you can do to fix your RealMe C25 that became extremely laggy. Performance issues may occur every now and then, but just like any other issues of its kind, it's often fixable. You just have to do some procedures to be able to make your device work perfectly again, and that's what we're going to do here. With that said, here's what you should do. First solution, close all apps running in the background. Perhaps the reason why your phone has become so sluggish is because there are already a lot of apps running in the background. So the first thing that you have to do is close them and see if the problem gets fixed. Here's how you do that. Tap the Recent Apps key to view apps you've recently used. Now tap the Close All to stop them all in one go. Once you've closed all those apps, try to see if your phone is still laggy, and if so, move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. The next thing you have to do is to refresh your phone's memory, as there's a chance that this is all just because of a minor system glitch. To do so, try doing the forced restart and see if that can help. This is how it's done. Press and hold the volume up button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After the restart, try to see if your RealMe C25 is still sluggish or laggy. Third solution, reset the system settings of your phone. After doing the first two solutions and your RealMe C25 is still sluggish, what you need to do next is to reset all its settings. This will bring your phone back to its default configuration without deleting your files. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap Backup and Reset. Tap Erase All Data, and then touch Reset System Settings Only. Tap Reset System Settings Only at the bottom of the screen to proceed. Tap Reset System Settings Only once again to confirm you want to reset the settings. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed. If your phone still lags, then you have to do the next solution. Fourth solution, factory reset your phone. Most of the time, lags and freezes can be fixed by the first three solutions. However, if the issue persists or if it occurs occasionally, then you will have to reset your device. A reset will fix this kind of problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files. When you're ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. Scroll down a bit and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap Backup and Reset. Tap Erase All Data, and then touch Erase All Data again. Tap Erase Data at the bottom of the screen, and tap Erase Data again to confirm. Now wait until your phone finishes the reset. Once the reset is complete, set up your RealMe C25 as a new device. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.